So this is kind of ugly, and there is a way to fix it, and that's to go to the junkyard and get a mirror that isn't affected like that. I think what happens is this arm gets really hot in the sun, and it causes this coating to fail, peel and degrade and oxidize and whatever. So we're gonna replace the mirror. You might have a little piece of rubber. You can kind of see where mine used to be. Sticking between the windshield and this arm. I have no idea what that's for. I assumed it was cosmetic and it was getting in the way of my sunshade, so I removed it. But if anyone knows what that is, please leave it in the comments. And the first step is we have to remove our alpaca. So now with the alpaca removed, we're gonna remove this cover, and it comes off just like that. Should maybe try to slide it forward rather than just peeling it down like I did. I think it wants to be slid forward, so kind of like that. And then that reveals 3 screws. You can remove these with a Phillips screwdriver, but the correct bit, as far as I can tell, is a JIS H2. And these might be a little stuck, so like a ratcheting screwdriver like this can help, but these are actually pretty easy. It's always a good idea to clean the mirror when it is not attached to the car. Makes it a little bit easier. So it's very easy to over tighten these screws with a tool like this, and so we want to be very careful to just snug it up and not any more than that. All right, and now this goes back on just like so. And wow, look at that. If you look closely, you can kind of see that this mirror is already starting to fail in the same way. I don't know if that's really showing up on camera, but it'll be interesting to see how long this mirror lasts. I have a theory that if you put up your sunshade like behind this bar, this won't get any worse, but we'll see about that.